Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today here we are up with another video where we will be showing how to boil eggs in a very short interval of time, and then the most difficult part. So how to peel off the eggs from the outer shell very quickly and very effectively so that the egg white does not stick to the outer shell and the egg surface is very smooth. So today we will be here using the steamer method. We will be filling the bottom utensil with water, partly or at least 1/4 of it, and we will be placing the eggs in one layer. As we can see, we are placing the eggs in the perforated utensil and we are covering it, so the water vapor will evaporate through the holes of the perforated utensil, and the eggs will be boiled in the steam. We can see that few of the water droplets in the cover, so the steam, it has been condensed in the cover, and as the steam has a higher temperature as compared to the boiling water, so that is an added advantage which will help the eggs to boil very quickly and in a short interval of time. So if we boil the eggs over water, the main disadvantage of it is that firstly it takes a very long amount of time, that is 15 to 20 minutes. Secondly, if we overdo the eggs, it generally cracks open and the egg white, it spills and gets scattered in the boiling water. Thirdly, the water amount, it decreases due to the evaporation, and many a time it happens to be that the egg is not properly boiled. So now we can see that after 5 minutes the egg is completely boiled. So now comes the most difficult part, that is peeling off these eggshells. So what we will be doing here is that we will throw away the hot water from the lower utensil and then we will fill it with chilled water. So what this chilled water will do is that it will bring down the temperature of the boiled eggs. Thereby the eggs will shrink a little bit from the eggshell, and due to this the eggshell will come out quickly and we can get a very smooth egg without any egg white stuck to the eggshell. This is a very effective method. So now here we will be placing the eggs one by one and submerging it in the chilled water. Once we are done, we will be waiting for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then we will start peeling off the eggs. Now after keeping it in the water submerged for around 5 to 10 minutes, as we can see that the eggs are being peeled off from the outer shell and no egg white is being attached to the shell, and we are getting a very smooth surface of the egg. The eggs are also being peeled off very quickly. It is taking very less amount of time, and all the eggs, they are having a very smooth surface. So now we can see that most of the eggs are peeled off properly with a very smooth surface. I hope you like our video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.